Due were awful weather. Finally, there are no people in my woods. God bless the woods. Doesn't look like a train station during the rush hour, but also it looks like a big mess and big problem and big mistake. Oh man, I decided to try new dating. When I decided to try some new dietary supplement like this, and please wait for it because the another one is stuck in my pocket. Wait for it, please. Oh my gosh, there it is. I can find it. Shit. Just a minute, just a second. What? This. Look at this. It's my second dietary supplement, and I'm gonna to tell you about these items. Well, I'm gonna to tell you about my new dietary supplements like this, and like just a minute,